Hi y'all, this is Becky Roesler, pulling my chair over here. And today I'm going to show you a real quick flip through of my little golden book that I just finished. Or I haven't finished it completely, but I finished sewing in the signatures. I've made the tassel that's hooked onto there with a couple of clips. This one is Colors Are Nice. It's got 2 signatures and the storyline is intact. The tie is an old, what do you call that? Measuring tape. Really old measuring tape. And I've made this one with one pass through. I've put in pockets and tucks and belly bands. I have not decorated excessively. Let's call this one slightly decorated. Got a mosquito in here. Oh no! Okay, we're slightly decorated on this one. The first one is a tissue covered glassine pocket. This one has a little mini belly band there, a little mini belly band there, and then this flips up and this opens out for journaling spots. There's a lot of writing space I left in this one, or a lot of space for you to glue in or clip in or add in, staple in, whatever, however we want to do it. Put new stuff in. There's plenty of room. And the pockets, I went through and I added some papers that I thought would be interesting to use. This is one of my hidden paper clips with a handmade flower on it. I have a tutorial in my Yahoo channel, Becky's Junk Journals, for making these. This is just a belly band with some papers stuck in it. I don't want to go back down in there. I need to narrow that one up, don't I? But the story is left where you can read the story in the right order. Some of the pages are plainer than others. I've got washi tape down the side where there would have been a white space. Another pocket with some papers in there I thought would look good with this color scheme. I haven't gone excessive with trim on the edges like I normally like to if I continue working in this one. Instead of passing it on to the next person, I will load it down with lots of textiles and trim. My goal when I make these things is to have something on the page to inspire whoever's working in it to add more to it, whether it be drawing or writing or whatever. Another one of my handmade flowers. Oops, we skipped the page. But I've got each page spread coordinated, color coordinated. And some stuff tucked in it I thought would be fun. These are the things that I'll start using to make the ephemera if I start working in it. But there's plenty of room to add more, lots more. Another handmade flower. Those flowers are so much fun to make. You really ought to try it. And this is another glassine covered with a napkin. pocket. Now when I come in here, I'll do, if I work in this one, I'll use a lot of collage. I like collage. This is Kool-Aid dyed paper. I like a lot of collage in mine, but whoever works in this one next can do what they like. I've started some, I've got something on every page to get you started. This page is one I did in a tutorial for background paper. It's tissue paper over collage on a white background page. Stenciling on that one. Postcard in this one. Flip up there. If this looks like one you'd like to start working in yourself, leave me a comment with the best way to get in touch with you, whether it's email or direct message, and I will let you know if it's still available and if I'm still ready to pass it on. And this is how I do my signatures. I do a little label at the bottom, "Made with Love" by Becky Roesler. Hope you're having a great day. Love to hear your comments. Come and see me, Becky's Junk Journals, on Instagram and on Facebook. I'm sorry, not Facebook, but Instagram and YouTube. Bye-bye.